8 months ago, right? All for this moment.
When Brady got off the bus, he was steely-eyed. He's ready to go today.
I said I was gonna get you back! Let's go! We win this game, you're honored. Your kids are honored. One play at a time, huh? All right, let's go, boys. Hey, watch him. 54, Alpha, we go!
Brady calling signals, takes the snap.
Fires right. Touchdown!
Yeah!
What a throw by Brady!
They haven't stopped us yet. One play at a time now! We need a big championship drive. That's what we need. And end this on our terms. What do you got?
A fourth Lombardi trophy is headed to one Patriot place.
Yeah, baby! Way to go, 12!
We're the greatest quarterback in the world, man.